Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some P&G daily deals that y'all can do all week long with that P&G spin promotion. Plus, we're going to go over those Crest and Oral-B glitches and see what exactly is going on. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smiley face down in the comments section below, because those are two free, easy, and super quick ways that you can help support this channel. And if you have an extra minute, go ahead and click that share button and share the video. Now, while we're on the topic of supporting this channel, I do want to go ahead and say thank you all so very much from the bottom of my heart. Guys, I have been on YouTube, I think 2 or 3 years now, and well, I have never had a video reach over 10,000 views. Even though I work my butt off, I work 7 days a week, I'm always thinking about couponing, deals, clipping coupons, checking the rebate apps. I'm always on the hunt for the next best deal, and I am a one-woman show here pretty much. I have a couple of friends that help me out, and I'm very grateful for them as well. But thanks to all of you guys supporting this channel, hitting the thumbs up, leaving the smiles in the comments, and sharing the video. I had 2 videos hit 10,000 views in the past 2 weeks. So thank you all so much. That is a huge milestone for me. And don't forget, you guys are helping me put food on my table. So you're really helping to support my whole entire family here. And that really truly does mean the world to me. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about some deals, shall we? So first up, we're going to go over a little glitch list. We have the Crest and Oral-B coupons. Those are working on several products. So I'm going to show you the coupon and the exact products that those coupons are working with and giving us overage on as of today, Tuesday, September the 6th. But before we get into that, I do want to go ahead and mention that I know that a lot of us had issues over the weekend at Dollar General. So if you had any issues with either your 5 off 25 not coming off at the register or your $5 P&G promotion coupon not printing on the bottom of your receipt, whatever the issue is, I would highly suggest that y'all call Dollar General Corporate or email customer service. I'm going to have all that information in the description box of this video, okay? Call them. Let them know what's going on. That way they can fix the problem and hopefully do better in the future. Now, unfortunately, I have a feeling that Dollar General is kind of a mess right now because they are updating their systems again. We kind of had a first wave of this a few months back, maybe even a year ago, where they started updating their systems, and some stores do not allow or give overage anymore. And with these updates, we're going to have some changes. We're going to have to adjust and kind of figure things out. But we do know that down the line, all of the Dollar General stores are going to be fixed to where we can no longer get overages on the products. So like I said, I did hear from a few crazy couponers out there, and they were just letting me know that, hey, a lot of the stores in my area have updated. Luckily, they were still able to find 1 or 2 in their area that had not updated, so they still could take advantage of the overage that we have right now. But I just wanted to go ahead and give you all a heads up. If you go to the store and you do not get that overage, it is a good possibility that the system has already updated at that store. Now, just because it has happened at that store, that does not mean that all of the surrounding stores in your area have updated as well. You'll just know for sure that that store has updated and they are no longer accepting overage there. So you might want to try out a couple of different stores in your area if you're having that issue. Now, I also want to go ahead and throw it out there that if your store has updated and you can't take advantage of the overage, you can still use those digital coupons and get completely free items. So it's going to kind of be like Family Dollar, where it just zeroes out that product and you get it for completely free. So like I said, unfortunately, these updates are happening and we are just going to have to roll with the punches. We're going to have to figure it all out, and I'm sure that we are still going to get some really good deals at Dollar General. So y'all just hang tight. We will all figure it out together, and of course, I will keep you updated on all of the information that I receive. Alright, now enough with all that bad news. Let's go ahead and talk about the Crest and Oral-B glitches, because there are still a ton of stores out there that have not updated yet. So first up, we have the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B coupon. This is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes. These are priced at $1 each. So if you pick up 2 of those, use that digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon also works on the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes. Those are priced at just $1 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, I do want to say y'all can mix and match, and you definitely want to be on the lookout for these toothbrushes because a lot of times the employees will stick them in the wrong spot on the little toothbrush rack. So y'all keep an eye out for those. Alright, now the 3 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste, 2.7 ounces for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So again, pick up 2, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now, this 3 off 2 digital coupon is also working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, the 3.3 ounces for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2 of those, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage, and again, y'all can mix and match. Alright, next up we have the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B coupon, and this one is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, 3.3 ounces for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 3 of those, use that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $2 in overage. Alright, next up we also have the 6 off 4 Crest and Oral-B coupon, and that one is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 4 of those, use that 6 off 4, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $2 in overage. Alright, now that we have all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about these P&G spin deals. Now, we have a little glitch going on right now, and I did confirm yesterday that is still working, alright? So, with the P&G spin deals, we typically have to spend $15 out of pocket in order for that $5 coupon to print. But, right now, where we have the overages with the Crest and Oral-B products, it is letting us get our subtotal below $15, and that $5 coupon is still printing on the bottom of our receipts. So if everybody's already left me their smiles down in the comment section below, let's go ahead and jump right into these P&G spin deals that y'all can do all week long. Alright, so first up, we have a little diaper deal here. So you want to pick up 1 box of the Love's diapers priced at $16.95 and 2 of the Febreze products for $3.25 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $23.45. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you are going to need the 3 off 1 Love's Family Pack digital coupon and the 330 off 2 Febreze products. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $17.15 for all 3 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $12.15 for all 3 items, making each one just $4.05 each. Now, I know this deal doesn't sound like a great deal, but you are still saving $11, and this deal can get even better. Because if we take advantage of that little glitch that's going on and add on the 9 Crest and Oral-B products for $1 each, that's going to put your subtotal at $32.45. And here's what your list of coupons are going to look like. You're going to have that 3 off 2 Loves, the 330 off 2 Febreze, your 3 off 2 Crest, your 5 off 3 Crest, and your 6 off 4 Crest. And here's a look at those Crest coupons that we're adding on. And after all of those coupons come off, that's going to bring your subtotal down to $12.15 for 12 items. And you're still getting back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. And that's going to make your final price $7.15 for all 12 items, making each one just 59 cents each. Alright, now this next one is for all of my Tide people out there. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Tide laundry detergents priced at $9.95. You can choose from the liquid or the pods. Then pick up one of the Febreze Unstoppable car clips at $3.25, 2 of the Febreze products at $3.25 each, 2 of the Aussie shampoos or conditioners at $3 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you're going to need that 2 off 1 Tide, the 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, the 330 off 2 Febreze products, and the 2 off 2 Aussie products. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $16.40 for all 6 items, but you're getting back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price $11.40 for 6 items, making each one just $1.90 each. But again, with that glitch going on, we can make this deal even better. So we're going to pick up all of the same products, but we're going to add on 9 of the Crest and Oral-B products for $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.70. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 2 off 1 Tide, your 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, the 330 off 2 Febreze, your 2 off 2 Aussie, your 3 off 2 Crest, your 5 off 3 Crest, and your 6 off 4 Crest. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $11.40 for all 6 items, but you're getting back that $5 coupon. So that's going to make your final price just $6.40 for all 15 items, making each one just 42 cents each. Alright guys, now my favorite deal is coming up next, so I just wanted to make sure that everybody's left those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because y'all know that absolutely makes my day seeing all of your smiling faces. Alright, so for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Bounty Essentials 6-count paper towels at $5.75, 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills at $4.50 each, 2 of the Febreze products at $3.25 each, 1 of the Febreze Unstoppable car clips at $3.25, and 1 of the Febreze warmers at $3.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $28. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you're going to need that 1-off-1 Bounty Essentials, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 2-off-1 Febreze Unstoppables, and the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Warmer. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.41 for all 7 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, and that's going to make your final price $10.41 for 7 items, making each one just $1.48 each. Now, y'all already know what to do to make this deal even better. If you can find 9 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each, add those on, and that's going to put your subtotal at $37. Alright, and here's a look at all the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and up next is your list. So the 1-off-1 Bounty, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, the 2-off-1 Febreze Unstoppables, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Warmer, and the 3-off 2 Crest, the 5-off 3 Crest, and the 6-off 4 Crest. Now, that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.41 for all 16 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $5.41 for all 16 items, making each one just 33 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, we have a quick Gain deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze products priced at $3.25 each, and 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $3.25 each. Then throw in a Gain product from the dollar aisle for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $21.50. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need, and up next is your list. So you're going to need the 2-off-1 Gain laundry product, the $3.30 off 2 Febreze, and the 1-off 2 Mr. Clean. And that's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $15.20 for all 6 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, and that's going to make your final price $10.20 for all 6 items, making each one just $1.70 each. But again, we can make this deal better by adding on those 9 Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.50. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And up next is your list. And again, all the same exact coupons, except you're adding on the 3-off 2 Crest, the 5-off 3 Crest, and the 6-off 4 Crest. And that's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $10.20 for all 15 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price just $5.20 for all 15 items, making each one just 34 cents each. Now, if y'all can't find all 9 of the Crest and Oral-B products to use all 3 of those coupons, don't worry about it. Just pick up what you can find and take advantage of that overage while we have it. So if you pick up 2, you're going to get $1 in overage. If you can find 5, you're going to get $3 in overage. And if you can find all 9, you're going to get $5 in overage. Alright, now I'm not going to keep y'all much longer because I have to make a quick couponing run to Walgreens and Walmart. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned to find out what I end up picking up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then if you have another second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.